Hi everyone, today I am sharing a super crispy and delicious new potato and spinach recipe that you have never tried before. I like to call them potato spinach bites. Here I have taken 1 kg of new potatoes. The real flavor lies in the skin, so I have only lightly peeled them. We will cut them into small even cubes. New potatoes give an incredible flavor once cooked. Cutting might take a minute, but this result is totally worth the effort. Now add a teaspoon of salt to boiling water and add the potatoes. Remember, we only need to parboil them, cook them about 80% raw. Once they are 80% done, drain them immediately and let them cool down so they don't get overcooked or mushy. Now for the greens, I have finely chopped some fresh spinach, green onion, green garlic, and I have also added some fenugreek leaves and green chilies for that extra aroma and spice. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt on these veggies so that release their moisture, then squeeze out the water and add them to a bowl. Now add some finely chopped ginger. For the spices, we will add all those spices mentioned on the screen. Mix all these spices thoroughly with the vegetables. It's important to mix well so that every flavor stands out and the spices coat the vegetables evenly. Now add the vegetable and spice mix to our boiled potatoes. Mix them very gently with a light hand. To give them perfect binding, I am adding 1 cup of gram flour, besan, and for that extra touch, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Remember, do not mash the potatoes. We want to keep the shape of the potatoes and veggies intact so they look just as delicious as they taste. Just keep coating them gently until every potato piece is covered in a thin layer of spices and flour. Mix it gently. I am adding some more gram flour for perfect binding. Look at that texture. Now let's prepare a special green chutney. For this I have used fresh coriander leaves, radish leaves, green chilies, a pinch of salt and some lemon juice. We will use this chutney in 2 ways. Serve some as it is and mix the rest with yogurt to make a delicious raita. Now fry these potato bites in hot oil. Don't flip them for the first 1 or 2 minutes so they set properly and don't break. Flip them gently and fry until they turn golden and crispy. Look at that beautiful color. After about 3 minutes of frying, our potato bites are perfectly golden and crispy. Let's take them out of the oil. The serving style is very special too. I have grated some radish which pairs incredibly well with these crispy bites. Drizzle some green chutney and a bit of ketchup on top to double the flavor. It looks absolutely mouth-watering. And there you have it. Our crispy potato bites are ready. Enjoy them with hot tea or your favorite drink. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.